Prior to us getting Avature with regards to the onboarding process, it was a manual process. This didn't really lead to anything that we couldn't monitor the process of a candidate's journey. At the moment, we've got a legal trainee scheme, which has got 80 people coming on board at one time and all starting at the same time. So Avature has helped us streamline that process and make sure that everything is managed and processed on the same day. Avature has been a great benefit to us as an organisation. We're processing the information a lot more effectively and streamlining our processes. Because we work with the Crown Prosecution Services and serve our local public, our candidates have to be security cleared to process that information. Previously to Avature coming on board, then it was a laborious process getting all the information done. Now it's more streamlined and all the information is collated within the Avature portal and sent off to our security team for processing. On a weekly basis, we've got 50 reports that are sent out to our area business managers and our senior leaders. This has helped us process the information to find out where they are in the job step process, where the candidates are on their journey, and all the information that's provided helps us understand on how we can make the services better. We've reduced our timeframes by streamlining the process from 65 days down to 45 days based on the automation and everything we process within Avature. Avature has been a great provider for us. They're always willing to help and assist us produce the information, but they're more happy to assist and provide a greater scope on what we can do to improve our services going forward.